Over the last few years, we've had more and more requests for a portable, takeaway, individually packaged product. What we realized is this is a huge, vast world, and there are 1,000 different ways you can go. We met the team from BW at one of the food shows, and we were very impressed with their ability to answer all the questions that we had.
We've been doing flow wrapping for several decades now. We've done a lot in the brownies, dessert bars, things of that nature. So we had somewhat of a good understanding of what the challenges they may have.
That was really important, to work with somebody that was going to communicate with us and actually help us build the program, not just say, oh, this is what you want to do, okay, we'll do this. They would actually recommend, well, you know, possibly try this or this.
What they were looking for was just something that's going to wrap everything that they're running, because they have a plethora of different brownie products that they manufacture at this facility.
We sent samples back and forth. We looked at different sizes, different options.
It gave us the opportunity to do a lot of playing around with their product in the lab, and that helped us formulate, hey, you're going to need a U card to support these.
They seemed to really understand what we were trying to do, and they were willing to really work with us on an intimate level, not just we can do it.
It's a relationship, it's not just a purchase.
Our product manager and one of our managers went down to visit them, and they were just blown away.
We have a full machine shop in that building, and that allows us to be able to make custom parts. Whenever a customer needs a part on a quick lead time, we're able to produce that in-house. It's cool to be able to show them that and just experience our culture and our values in the way that we like to treat people.
I had been to a couple other places where they showed me 2 or 3 pieces of one size of brownie, and that was it. We actually ran, I think, 5 or 6 different sizes of brownies across the line in different wraps.
If you're making 20 SKUs and each one has a different property and the way it's made up, we need to understand how that's going to flow on the machines.
And I realized that they had really bought into what we wanted to do, so that made a big difference. And just the overall feel when I was visiting them.
We want them to know when they walk in the doors, you're important to us.
They gave each of us that was there the book by Bob Chapman, Everybody Matters.
A book about their culture, which I read cover to cover, and has now become one of the most important books in my library. We realized right away that they were fit for us.
We wanted a machine that was going to be very cleanable for allergen purposes. We wanted to provide a simple machine because this is new to them, and the last thing we want to do is put in something with tons of bells and whistles that they really don't need.
And just helping them along that journey of selecting the film.
The thickness of the film, the design of the film, and there was so much more to it than we realized.
And so we came down with the Merlin Blu flow wrapper because that fit the bill for them. It was toolless changeover.
Once you kind of have the basics, it's pretty easy to understand what each setting will adjust, and it's really nice because the pictures, you can click on them and you can kind of read what everything does. It makes it really simple.
With any new purchase of equipment, there come struggles not understanding the ins and outs. We call, and they're very, we have your engineer or even your specialist techs will give us call backs. If they don't have an answer, they're going to get somebody within an hour or 2 and get us answers. So that's pretty awesome.
Uptime is key. We want to be there as much as we possibly can to help them learn and grow and take ownership over packaging their product.
It's thrilling to see that product come off the line. We feel like we've entered into a whole new chapter to our company story having this product available. It's just really exciting to see where this can take us in the future.